Hello there. So in this video we're going to discuss how to generate content ideas. I've just started my creator journey and the major roadblock that I've been facing, and I think probably every content creator faces that, is how to actually come up with really good content ideas. How to know they're going to work, or just simply how to come up with content ideas. Okay? Without further ado, let's get started. The first place or the first step which I'm going to suggest you is to utilize your YouTube and Google search to its max. Right. This is a no-brainer, but this is a very underrated tip that no one uses, or that at least most people don't look at. Okay. So what do I mean by YouTube and Google search? So whenever you want to search for content ideas, you have some idea like what you want to talk about. Suppose my niche is creator economy. I want to generate content around the creator economy. So, for example, what I'll do to search content ideas for myself, I'll go to YouTube and I'll search the creator economy as a keyword. Okay, and when I search, before pressing the enter, I'll see some automated suggestions from YouTube. And when I do the same thing on Google will also show me some automated suggestions or some suggestions that people have already been asking. Okay, so it's and the title here says people also ask. So now people are actually searching for this topic. So when people are already searching for this topic, if you do a content piece on that, it will be seen. It's like a very short way to do this thing. Okay. So whenever searching for content ideas, just go to your YouTube account or just go to your Google search or YouTube search and write your keywords. Okay. Just suppose and search for some synonyms of this keyword, like so I want to make videos on the creator economy. So I'll just search something around mistakes of creator economy, or mistakes of creators, what is content creation, and when I search for these things, I'll also get suggestions like creator economy masterclass, creator economy for beginners, creator economy for 2023, and so on. Let's move on to the next step, which is your YouTube watch history. Right, you're sitting on a gold mine of content ideas just with your YouTube watch history. What you need to do is just come to your YouTube watch history tab. Okay, you just come to this tab and then see what content you have been consuming yourself. Suppose there's a 3-hour long podcast, or there is a 1-hour long podcast that you viewed last week, and it was a really deep podcast. Okay, so what you need to do to come up with content ideas for yourself is I'm not saying you to copy the content. I'm just saying you to watch that episode. Okay, just read the headline, read the description, and reflect on what was that podcast about, and reflect on what were the lessons that you learned from that podcast. Okay, and then you'll not only be able to generate content ideas from this, but you'll also be able to generate your whole content script from this method. What are the steps? Just go to your watch history, reflect on what content you have been watching as a consumer. Reflect on what you have been consuming, and probably what happens when we are making content ourselves, we are targeting people round about our age and round about how we are like. Okay, so suppose I'm a motivational person. I like watching motivational videos a lot. I watch Sandeep Maheshwari a lot. So what I can do is I can just go to the videos which I've watched from him and reflect on what are the observations or what are the lessons which I've learned from his videos. Okay, and I can quickly do a content piece on 5 lessons learned from Sandeep Maheshwari, or 5 lessons learned from Ankur Warikoo, and so on. So this is a really gold mine of content ideas, your YouTube watch history. So now let's come to the most important part of this video, the third tip, and which is like a hack that advanced and pro YouTubers use. Okay. So for this step, I'm going to recommend you 2 YouTube plugins, absolutely free of cost to start with, but you're going to see, you will have the content ideas that that are going to work for sure, and you'll know like how many people are searching for them. Yes, we are going to work on the keyword part now. Okay. So the first plugin which I recommend is TubeBuddy, and you just go and install TubeBuddy on your YouTube account, sign in, and then come back to youtube.com. So now when you are browsing YouTube, you need to click on this icon over here, which pops up the TubeBuddy window. Okay. Now then you need to click on Keyword Explorer, and you just launch the Keyword Explorer. Now you need to search, like for example, I'm creating videos on creator economy. I'll search creator economy, and it will show me of this keyword and what are the related keywords, what are the top ranking videos in this keyword, and is this keyword actually going to perform or not, is the competition range very high, is it very low, and like what is the overall keyword metrics it's going to show me. And now to generate more ideas, what I can do is I can click on the suggested keywords as well. Like suppose it's suggesting me creator economy mistakes, creator economy for beginners. I can click on that and I can see the keyword metrics for every search term that is there. Okay. And the second plugin, which is known as vidIQ. Now this is like a very powerful plugin. You just need to open an account on vidIQ, go to their website, set up an account, log in, set up an account and log into the dashboard. For the free account, we're just going to use the free tools for now. Now you, whenever you log into the dashboard, it has all the features of TubeBuddy, but the feature which I love the very most to generate content ideas for myself is this box of daily ideas. Now what vidIQ does is every day for free of cost, they're going to send you 3 AI recommended content ideas. And sometimes what happens is, and this is coming from your search history, this is coming from your channel history, it is gathering data from everywhere, it is recommending you content ideas from that. And to improvise this list of content ideas, what you can do is below there you see your competitor channels, the channels you aspire to be. You can just add them here, and it will just and the tool will automatically review their channel history, what is performing for them, what is not performing for them, and then with the use of the AI mechanism, it will recommend you 3 content ideas every day. And the little heart icon there is going to save these content ideas in your repository. So I'll just quickly show you how this works. So you come here, you see the daily ideas, and you just click on this heart. So this will save it, and if you delete it, it will just remove that and all the future ideas that were responding to this topic also from the list. Great, right? Cool. So just to wrap up, the 3 tips that I shared with you to generate unlimited content ideas is your YouTube and Google search, and your YouTube watch history, and the 2 plugins, TubeBuddy and vidIQ. And I'm sure if you just utilize these 3 tools correctly, you will never run out of content ideas. Thank you for watching till now, and have a great day. Subscribe to this channel if you like watching more videos around the Twitter economy.